Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to log someone out of your Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Click onto profile. Look at the right corner, tap onto three dot. Select the first option, account center. Scroll down, password and security option. Now click on where you are logging in. Click on. And now shown here to your all login devices. Select device to log out. Click on. And tap onto one by one once you log out. Click on to log out. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily log someone out of your Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.